Triphala powder benefits. Why you should start using Triphala powder today. Triphala powder has long been celebrated in Ayurvedic medicine as a natural remedy for various ailments. This ancient formulation, derived from three powerful fruits, Amalaki, Emblica officinalis, Bibhitaki, Terminalia biliaca, and Haritaki, Terminalia chibula, offers a synergistic approach to health and wellness. Unlike many herbal remedies, Triphala's efficacy is supported by both traditional wisdom and growing scientific research. In this video, we'll explore the proven benefits of Triphala powder, weaving in case studies, research data, and user experiences to provide a well-rounded understanding of its potential. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Just one more thing. If you're over 50, be sure to watch this video until the end. And if you're under 50, don't skip it. This information can truly help you live a longer, healthier, and disease-free life. Number 1. Improves digestive health. Triphala is a natural digestive aid that promotes healthy bowel movements and gut health. A 2011 study, published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, found that Triphala significantly improved symptoms of constipation in participants after just 2 weeks of use. Maria, a 45-year-old teacher from New York, suffered from chronic bloating and irregular bowel movements. After incorporating Triphala powder into her nightly routine, she reported a 70% improvement in her symptoms within a month, crediting its mild laxative properties for her improved digestion. Number 2. Boosts immunity. The high antioxidant content in Triphala, especially from Amalaki, combats oxidative stress and enhances immune function. Research in Phytotherapy Research, 2016, highlighted that Triphala's immunomodulatory effects help regulate immune responses, making it beneficial for people prone to infections. Sarah, a nurse exposed to various infections daily, started taking Triphala as part of her morning routine. Over 6 months, she reported fewer episodes of seasonal colds and felt more energetic, attributing it to Triphala's immune-boosting properties. Number 3. Aids weight management. Triphala has been shown to assist in weight loss by improving metabolism and reducing inflammation. A study conducted by the Journal of Obesity in 2012 observed that participants who consumed Triphala over 12 weeks experienced significant reductions in weight and waist circumference compared to the placebo group. John, a fitness enthusiast, incorporated Triphala into his diet after struggling to shed stubborn belly fat. He attributed a 5-pound weight loss over 2 months to Triphala's ability to curb his cravings and improve his digestion. Number 4. Supports skin health. The detoxifying properties of Triphala help cleanse the blood, leading to clearer and healthier skin. Its anti-inflammatory effects also make it a popular choice for managing acne and eczema. Anita, a 28-year-old entrepreneur, struggled with acne for years. After applying a Triphala-based face mask twice weekly for 2 months, she noticed reduced inflammation and clearer skin. Her confidence improved as her complexion brightened. Number 5. Promotes eye health. In Ayurvedic medicine, Triphala is often recommended for maintaining eye health. A 2010 study published in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine showed that Triphala eye drops reduced eye strain and improved vision in participants with age-related vision issues. Priya, a software engineer in her 30s, found relief from eye strain caused by prolonged screen time after using Triphala eye wash, a traditional remedy prepared by boiling Triphala powder and straining the liquid. Number 6. Supports oral health. Triphala's antimicrobial properties make it effective in reducing dental plaque and improving gum health. A clinical trial in 2014 published in the Indian Journal of Dental Research confirmed that Triphala mouthwash was as effective as chlorhexidine in reducing gingivitis and dental plaque. Rahul, a marketing executive, noticed a significant improvement in his gum health after using Triphala as a mouth rinse for 3 weeks. He no longer experienced bleeding gums and reported fresher breath. Number 7. Reduces inflammation. Triphala's anti-inflammatory properties can alleviate chronic inflammation, which is linked to conditions like arthritis, cardiovascular diseases, and diabetes. A study in Biomedicine and Pharmacotherapy, 2017, found that Triphala significantly reduced markers of inflammation in animal models. Raj, a 60-year-old retiree with arthritis, started using Triphala powder to manage his joint pain. Within 3 months, he reported reduced stiffness and discomfort, allowing him to resume daily walks. Number 8. Regulates blood sugar levels. Triphala has been shown to help manage blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or at risk of the condition. A 2013 study in Ayu Journal found that Triphala reduced fasting blood sugar and improved insulin sensitivity in participants with type 2 diabetes. Mohammed, a pre-diabetic patient, included Triphala in his evening tea. After 3 months, his blood sugar levels stabilized, and his doctor noted an improvement in insulin sensitivity. Number 9. Enhances liver function. The detoxifying qualities of Triphala help support liver health by eliminating toxins and improving liver enzymes. Research in Ayurveda journals indicates that regular use of Triphala can prevent liver damage caused by environmental toxins or poor dietary habits. Arjun, a 40-year-old construction worker, experienced frequent fatigue and digestive issues. After incorporating Triphala, he noticed improved energy levels and relief from bloating within 2 months. Number 10. Improves cardiovascular health. Triphala's ability to reduce cholesterol levels and improve arterial function makes it a heart-friendly supplement. Studies in phytomedicine suggest that the antioxidant-rich formulation can lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. Angela, a 55-year-old woman with a history of high cholesterol, started consuming Triphala regularly. Within 6 months, her LDL levels dropped significantly, and her cardiologist recommended she continue its use alongside a healthy diet. Number 11. Promotes better sleep. Triphala's ability to detoxify the body and balance stress hormones can improve sleep quality. It helps in calming the mind and relaxing the body. Neha, a 30-year-old lawyer, struggled with insomnia due to high stress. She began drinking Triphala tea before bed and reported deeper, uninterrupted sleep within weeks. Number 12. Supports hair health. The nutrient-rich formulation of Triphala promotes scalp health, reduces dandruff, and strengthens hair follicles, leading to healthier, shinier hair. Kavya, a 25-year-old student, used Triphala as a hair mask and noticed reduced hair fall and improved texture after a month of regular application. Number 13. Improves respiratory health. Triphala can alleviate respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis by reducing inflammation and clearing mucus from the respiratory tract. Its antimicrobial properties also help combat infections. Rahim, a 50-year-old with chronic bronchitis, started taking Triphala daily. Over a few weeks, he reported fewer coughing fits and better overall lung function. Number 14. Enhances bone health. The rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds in Triphala can support bone density and joint health, particularly in aging individuals. Meera, a retired yoga instructor, incorporated Triphala to alleviate joint discomfort. After consistent use for 3 months, she found improved mobility and reduced stiffness. Number 15. Balances hormonal levels. Triphala can help regulate hormones, particularly in women experiencing menstrual irregularities or menopause. It supports adrenal health and balances stress-related hormones. Anjali, a 40-year-old mother, found relief from mood swings and irregular cycles by consuming Triphala as recommended by her Ayurvedic doctor. Number 16. Anti-aging effects. With its rich antioxidant profile, Triphala combats oxidative stress, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and promoting youthful skin. Leela, a skincare enthusiast, included Triphala in her diet and skincare routine. Within months, she noticed a natural glow and fewer visible signs of aging. Well, that covers all the scientifically proven benefits of Triphala powder. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions of these special combos. Question 1. How to use Triphala powder. As a drink, mix 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder in warm water and consume on an empty stomach for detox benefits. For skin, use as a paste with water or rose water to treat acne or brighten the complexion. For oral health, use the powder as a natural toothpaste or mouth rinse. For hair, Mix Triphala with coconut oil for a nourishing scalp treatment. Question 2. Can I drink Triphala powder daily? Yes, Triphala powder can be consumed daily in recommended amounts. However, consult a healthcare provider for long-term use. Question 3. What is the best time to drink Triphala? The best time to drink Triphala is on an empty stomach, either in the morning or before bedtime. Question 4. Who should avoid Triphala? Pregnant and lactating women, as well as individuals with severe diarrhea or certain health conditions, should consult their doctor before using Triphala. Question 5. Does Triphala reduce belly fat? Triphala aids weight management and can reduce belly fat by improving metabolism and digestion. Question 6. How many spoons of Triphala per day? 1 to 2 teaspoons of Triphala powder daily is generally recommended, but it's best to follow professional advice. Question 7. Which is better, Isabgol or Triphala? Isabgol psyllium husk is primarily a fiber supplement, while Triphala offers broader health benefits including digestion, immunity, and detoxification. The choice depends on your health goals. Question 8. Can we take Triphala powder at night? Yes, Triphala can be taken at night for improved digestion and detoxification. Question 9. How to prepare Triphala at home? Triphala can be made by grinding equal parts of dried Amalaki, Bibhitaki, and Haritaki fruits into a fine powder. Question 10. What are the side effects of taking Triphala? Overuse may lead to diarrhea, abdominal discomfort, or dehydration. Start with small doses and increase gradually. Question 11. Is Triphala safe for kidneys? Yes, Triphala is considered safe for kidneys and may support detoxification, but consult a doctor for specific kidney conditions. Question 12. Can I boil Triphala powder? Yes, you can boil Triphala powder in water to make a tea or decoction. Question 13. Can Triphala cause gas? In some cases, initial use of Triphala may cause mild gas or bloating as the body adjusts. Question 14. Is Triphala bad for the liver? No. Triphala is beneficial for the liver and aids in detoxification, provided it is consumed in recommended amounts. Question 15. What is Triphala called in English? Triphala translates to 3 fruits in English, referring to its ingredients, Amalaki, Bibhitaki, and Haritaki. Question 16. Can Triphala cause dark stool? Yes, Triphala may cause dark stool due to its detoxifying and cleansing effects. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.